Okay, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how I might get a file from my home computer to the school's computer so that it can be published in my public HTML directory. One of the things that we have to understand with PHP is you cannot open it from your desktop like an HTML file. The PHP file has to be housed on the server and it has to be running on the server. So make sure you are aware of that. Otherwise, your code is not going to work. Okay, so this is extracting, and this works for Windows as well as, or OS 10 as well as Windows. So here's filezilla. You could copy it to your app folder, but essentially what I need to do is run it. And that's just filezilla is just a FTP client. And you don't have to use this. There's a lot of different ways of getting your content on the public HTML directory. So here it is, filezilla, and on the left-hand side it shows me my local files and folders, and on the right-hand side it's going to show our remote files and folders. So what we're going to have to connect to is you've got to connect to ssh.cs.dixie.edu, and I'm at home, remember. Use your CIT login and password. And I don't know if we need to have a port, so let's just check here. I don't care. Cannot connect. Okay, so if we need a port, let's put in 21. Okay, just kidding. Let's put in 22. Always trust this host. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so it was port 22. Now on the right-hand side, I can see my directories. And I should be able to find my, let's see, is it public HTML directory. So I click on that, and that's what I'm looking at now. I'm going to go into, I'm going to want to put my content here in Spring 13. Great. So now I navigate on the left-hand side, find the file that I want to transmit over. Let's see, this is, I don't know, slash, I can't remember where it is, users / Joe. Let's say I have a file on my desktop. I can't remember what it is. Oh, home J, I don't know. Home, oops. Home J Frankum, desktop. Navigate to my desktop directory. Yours would be a little bit different if I'm on the network, but if you're at home, it'd be like /home / Joe or /home / users or something like that. So, and I can see this. Here's my local stuff. So maybe I'll just take putty.exe. I mean, this theoretically would be a PHP file. But I'm just going to double click it and ching, copied it over. It's in my remote directory now. So now, if I need to test it, once again, you load up your site, Spring 13 putty.exe, and there it is. It's trying to download for us. So that's how we access remote files. Now let's say that I have a file over here on the right-hand side. I want to bring it over to my local computer to work on it. Well, that's pretty easy too. I'm just going to click on whatever, foo.html, and it transferred it, and so now foo.html should be loaded on my desktop. If I have all this garbage out of the way, there's foo.html, so you could edit it with Dreamweaver or whatever program you want. If you look at the NetBeans video tutorial, it will show you how to do all this, and it's all integrated into NetBeans.